Hi everybody, thanks for watching. I wanted to talk to you this week about the Waukee Christmas Drive. It's a wonderful time of giving. We're coming up on December, and with December comes Santa Claus. So with the Waukee Christmas Drive, you can make donations to the Waukee Police Department. So what are they taking? Well, you can give canned goods, you can give paper products, you can give personal hygiene products, also toys. Now the toys need to be new and they need to be unwrapped, but you can get those to the police department. Everything there is due by December 16th, and you can take your donations there between 8 and 5 p.m. Now also another thing you can do is if you want to make a monetary contribution, you can do that. If you have a check and you want to make it out for $50, $100, $1,000, $2,000, it don't matter. Make it out to the Waukee Christmas Fund, and you can also take that to the police department as well by December 16th between 8 and 5 p.m. Another thing you can do, if you want to adopt a family, you can do that as well. You'll need to get a hold of either Ann or Margie. Margie is at the police department. Her phone number is 987-1073. Again, that's 987-1073 between the hours of 8 and 5 at the police department. You can also get a hold of Ann, and her phone number is 978-4016. Ann is 978-4016. So if you want to adopt a family, you can do that as well. Also, we have Winterfest. December 2nd is going to be Winterfest, which is hard to believe because we have no snow, but who knows, maybe it'll show up sometime. But Winterfest, December 2nd, and of course there we're going to have Santa Claus, cookies, of course hot soup, cocoa. If you've been down to Winterfest, it's always a good time. It's neat to watch the ice sculpture and everything there too. So guys, you know, it's a wonderful time for giving. December's coming up. Bless people, help out, and get involved with the Waukee Christmas Drive this year. Thanks for watching, and then we'll see you next time. Till then, make it a big day. Thanks.